G'day everyone, today I'd like to talk about how I film YouTube videos on my phone. Now, the way I film YouTube videos on my phone is with the VideoMic Me, guys. Now, it's a simple microphone to use. It's fairly easy. You just put the microphone into the headphone jack that the iPhones used to have, but I don't know why the iPhones took out the headphone jack. Pretty much, it's like a shotgun mic. Shotgun mic, you just plug it into the headphone jack, simple and easy to use. And I want to say that the VideoMic Me is a great microphone, guys. It's like really cool, you know. It's like, this is how I'm getting the audio now. You just simple plug in, and yeah. Now, so I'm just testing the fan out in the middle of winter, guys. You can hear the fan. I'm using the phone's audio quality. Now, don't try this at home, guys. Now, I'm going to insert the VideoMic Me with the fan, with the thingamabob on it, whatever they call it. Basically to filter out audio. Now, here we go. So I've just inserted the VideoMic Me. Sorry about that. I've just inserted the VideoMic Me. I've got the fan running in the middle of winter. So yeah, let's see if we can hear a difference in the audio quality. Now, this is the audio without the Røde VideoMic Me. As you can see, you're going to get the audio is going to sound a lot less clear. But when I put the VideoMic Me on my phone, you can maybe hear a change in the audio quality. So I just got up in the morning now. It's a bit of a cold day. I'm on the VideoMic Me. I'm just walking on my car. About to just drive up the road in my car. We're testing out the VideoMic Me and how it functions when moving around. So just opening the car now. Just getting inside the car. I'll just put the VideoMic Me on my thingy. Just opening the car now. So I just turn the car on. Letting the car warm up with the VideoMic Me. If you can hear the car. Basically, it's meant to filter out the bad audio quality and background noise when you are filming. This is designed for your phone. It's yeah, so now just driving the car and the VideoMic Me. I'm going to test how it functions. I'm just going to put the air conditioning on. We're going to just test how we can filter out some of the air conditioning noise so it's not blaring into your audio for when you're filming your videos. So just driving now. So don't forget, guys, when you are using the VideoMic Me, to put the fan that comes on with it, or the thingamabob as I call it. Basically, it's going to help stop getting the bumps out of the audio. Now, audio quality, sorry about that, just adjusting the camera there. Audio quality is very important in YouTubing, especially for vlogging. So we're just driving on a bit of a rocky road now. Steam. chilly today. It's a bit cold today in Sydney. It's like one of those overcast days you get, you know, when you get those overcast weather. So I was just driving on a bit of a rocky road. If you could probably hear the bumps, but the VideoMic Me, the purpose of it is it should reduce those audio frequencies coming in through your audio. Just making a turn here. So the reason why I'm testing this in my car is because at the moment I'm filming. I want to get good audio quality, you know. The problem with the phone's audio is it's not good for YouTube. The equalizer in YouTube, it's like it goes flat when you upload a video through your phone audio or your tablet or your iPad's audio or your computer's audio. This is why, like, it's good to just have a microphone to keep things simple. Just a shotgun mic, guys. You don't need to go and spend thousands of dollars on microphones. You just, for YouTube, alright, you just want to keep it simple, okay? You don't need all these microphones, you don't even need a camera crew. If you're filming YouTube yourself, you can just film it solo. If you're blogging, you just put the VideoMic Me on. You can get a selfie stick, you can hold it in your hand, you can, you know, get like a mini camera tripod if you want. It's just things like that. You don't need to make life hard for yourself with YouTube and blogging. So I'm just driving up the road at the moment on the VideoMic Me. Just gonna make a right hand turn. Here I go. So with the road and the car, there's probably some bumps in the road. Okay. I'm just making a turn now. Coming in. And this microphone is to, like, so you don't have to go back and have to edit the audio and then it's a hassle editing audio, trust me guys. You want to make it easy. Make life easy for yourself. Now what you hear in the background is all the traffic driving past me. I'm on the VideoMic Me, and we're just going to hear how the audio quality sounds when you basically put the fan or the thingamabob on the VideoMic Me. It's to, like, minimize background noise, and it's a wonderful mic. You can just check out the traffic in the background. So basically I give the VideoMic Me out of 10 out of 10 for my review. I think it's a simple microphone to use. I think if you are doing just YouTube videos, I want you to think, well, you know, you can just want to keep your video in YouTube very simple and easy. So VideoMic Me, it's a great microphone, and you just heard, like, I just did a test run on a fan in the middle of winter with the thing on it. Great audio quality. Now, you can't get rid of every single crackle in a video, but how much does that reduce the background noise? That is amazing stuff, guys. This is a brilliant microphone by Røde. I love this stuff. So this is what I've been using to film YouTube on my iPhone SE. Now, in the couple of videos I've had since I didn't put the fan on, the fan for the VideoMic Me, I had some crackling in the audio. So if you put the fan on while you're moving, you'll get less of those little cracks from the background, from the wind. But this reduces the noise. You can't get rid of every little background noise, but you can reduce it. And that's what I give a great review. It was a microphone that attracted me to it from what I saw other YouTubers who used it. Gary Davis, shout out to you, mate. He does like a lot of audio reviews for microphones, Røde, depends on the brand, but I just like to keep it simple. So if you like my YouTube channel, if you like the review, leave your comments down below. Share this video with your friends on social media. I'm on Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. I'll put the links down in the show notes below. Keep in tune with the videos, guys, because I make original videos. You know, I'm passionate about YouTube. It's what I do. I love YouTube. So I'll see you next time for the new video. Stay cool, stay well, and good luck with your audio quality.